Hello, welcome to Comeback Channel Story English Plus. Train your brain to think in English. Have you ever wondered why some people speak English so naturally? They don't translate in their heads. They think directly in English. And that's the secret of fluency. But how can you train your brain to think in English? Let's break it down step by step. First, understand this truth: translation slows you down. Every time you think in your native language and then translate, you lose speed. Your brain gets tired, and you lose confidence. The goal is to make English your automatic mode of thought. Think of it like driving a car. At first, you think about every move, gear, brake, mirror. But after practice, it becomes automatic. English thinking works the same way. You must train your brain through repetition and exposure. Step 1. Surround yourself with English. Watch English videos every day. Listen to podcasts, songs, and movies without subtitles if you can. Let your ears feed your brain with English sounds. The more you hear, the more natural it becomes. Step 2. Describe your world in English. Look around you and name things in English. This is my phone. I'm drinking coffee. It's raining today. These small moments train your brain to switch languages. Step 3. Think about your day in English. When you wake up, say in your mind, I need to brush my teeth. When you go to work, I'm taking the bus. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal isn't perfection, it's connection. Step 4. Use inner dialogue. Talk to yourself in English in your thoughts. Ask yourself questions: what should I eat? Where's my wallet? Answer them in English too. This builds fluency faster than you imagine. Step 5. Stop translating words one by one. Focus on ideas, not vocabulary. When you see an apple, don't think. Just think apple. Connect meaning directly to English words. That's how native speakers process language. Step 6. Use English in real life. Chat online, comment on videos, write captions in English. Practice creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. And fluency creates freedom. Step 7. Read out loud. Reading helps your brain connect sound and meaning. Choose short articles or stories you enjoy. Read slowly, clearly, and with emotion. Feel the rhythm of English sentences. Step 8. Think in simple English first. Don't push yourself to use complex words. Instead of saying, I'm feeling extremely exhausted, say, I'm very tired. Simplicity builds strength. Step 9. Visualize your thoughts. When you think dog, imagine a dog, not the word. This connects English to images, not translation. Step 10. Create an English zone in your mind. In that zone, everything happens in English: your plans, dreams, emotions. Even your jokes. Step 11. Make English emotional. Emotions are powerful memory tools. If you laugh, cry, or feel inspired while learning English, you'll remember more. That's why movies, songs, and stories are so effective. Step 12. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes every day. Step 13. Keep a thinking diary. Write what you think in English daily. Don't translate, just express. Over time, your writing will reflect your thought flow. Step 14. Use English during stress. When you're angry, sad, or excited, express it in English. Emotional use makes it real for your brain. Step 15. Change your phone language to English. See English daily, notifications, settings, and apps. Small changes create a big impact. Step 16. Learn phrases, not single words. Say "how's it going" instead of just "how." English is built from natural phrases. Thinking in phrases boosts fluency dramatically. Step 17. Shadow native speakers. Repeat what they say instantly. It's like singing along to speech. You'll develop rhythm and pronunciation naturally. Step 18. Be patient with your brain. It's learning a whole new system. Progress may be slow, but consistency wins. Step 19. Sleep in English. Before bed, listen to an English story or affirmations. Your brain continues learning while you rest. Step 20. Believe in yourself. The brain follows belief. If you believe you can think in English, you will. Your brain listens to your mindset. So, say this: "I am an English thinker." Say it again: "I think in English naturally." Let that belief become your truth. Remember, fluency is not just grammar. It's flow, emotion, and connection. You don't need to be perfect to be fluent. You just need to be yourself, in English. Step 21. Enjoy the process. English isn't just a skill, it's a new way of living. Watch your favorite shows, read stories, meet people. Learn about the world through English. Step 22. Think small, practice daily. 10 minutes a day of mindful thinking in English is powerful. Consistency beats intensity. Step 23. Celebrate progress. Notice how your brain starts switching to English automatically. That's your success in action. Step 24. Teach others. When you explain in English, you think deeper in English. Step 25. Never stop. Language grows when you use it. Your brain will adapt, evolve, and surprise you. So train your brain, not just to speak English, but to live in English.